Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about how to invest in stocks. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to invest in stocks. Investing in stocks can be a great way to build wealth over time. But it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1, learn about stocks. Before investing in stocks, it's important to learn about the stock market and how it works. You can read books, take online courses, and watch educational videos to gain a better understanding of the basics. Number 2, set investment goals. Determine your investment goals, such as how much you want to invest, what kind of returns you are looking for, and how long you want to hold your investments. Number 3, choose a brokerage. To invest in stocks, you need a brokerage account. Look for a reputable broker with low fees and good customer service. Number 4, create a diversified portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your portfolio. Choose stocks from different industries and sectors and consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs) to get exposure to a broad range of stocks. Number 5, create stocks. Before investing in a particular stock, do your due diligence. Look at the company's financials, management team, and competition to make sure it's a good investment. Number 6, buy stocks. Once you're done your research and decided which stocks to invest in, you can buy them through your brokerage account. You can place an order online or work with a financial advisor to make the purchase. Number 7, monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your investments and track their performance over time. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to ensure you're staying diversified. Remember, investing in stocks comes with risks and there is no guarantee of returns. It's important to invest only what you can afford to lose and to have a long-term investment horizon. Okay guys, so this is the end of my discussion on how to invest in stocks. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.